Hello friends, I have brought you a new video from Dr. Urmila Patil official this channel. In today's video, we will look at some questions related to the course of Contemporary Indian Education in English. Friends, I have already made many videos about B.Ed. Go to my channel and watch it. Also for those who haven't subscribed yet, hurry up. Also don't forget to select the all option on the bell icon. Another request was, if you get ad while watching the video, please don't skip. So let's get started. In today's video, we are looking questions on 2 units. Unit number 3 is here. Status of pre-independence and post-independence Indian education. First point is here. Status of pre-independence and post-independence Indian education. Vedic, Buddhist, Muslim and missionary education. Status of Indian education in the pre-independence and post-independence era. Kothari Commission, National Education Policy, Delos Commission, Knowledge Commission, NCF 2005. Comparative study of pre-independence and post-independence era of Indian education. Goals, objectives, curriculum, teachers. And last one is recommendations and implementation of various commissions related to education. Like these 4 points are in this unit. Unit number 3, status of pre-independence and post-independence Indian education. First question is here. Education Commission of India, 1952-54, 1964-66, 1977, 1965. Correct answer is option B, 1964-66. The main basis of Kothari Commission is modern changes in the field of education, business education, formulation of education, or formulation at the education level. Correct answer is option B, business education. Trilingual formula recommended by this commission: Secondary Education Commission, University Education Commission, Kothari Commission, Mudliar Commission. Correct answer is here, Kothari Commission. Option C is correct of answer, question number 3. Next question. Recommended that there should be flexibility in the curriculum. National Education Policy in 1968, National Education Policy 1986, Kothari Commission, none of these. Correct answer is this question, option B, National Education Policy 1986. Of the following this is not a commission: Education Commission of India, University Education Commission, Secondary Education Commission, National Education Policy. Correct answer is this question, option number D, National Education Policy. National Education Policy, this is not a commission. The concept of core element was presented by Mudliar Commission, Kothari Commission, National Education Policy, National Education Policy 1968. Correct answer is option C, National Education Policy 1986. The concept of core element was presented by National Education Policy 1986. Vedic education was started by which rites? Upanayan, Pabja, Upasampada, Samavartan. Correct answer is this question. Answer option number A is correct answer of question number 7. Upanayan. The main purpose of Vedic education dash: vocational education, cultural education, religious education, military education. Correct answer is this question. Option C, religious education. The main purpose of Vedic education, religious education. The rites of initiation into Buddhism for education: Pabja, Upanayan, Upasampada, Samavartan. Correct answer is option B, Pabja. The rites of initiation into Buddhism for education is called Pabja. Next question is here. Buddhist education was run in dash: Vihar, Gurukul, Madarsa, Pathshala. Correct answer option A, Vihar. Buddhist education was run in Vihar. What was the beginning of the education of Muslim children? Pabja, Upanayan, Upasampada, Bismillah. Correct answer is this question. Option number D, Bismillah. The beginning of the education of Muslim was called Bismillah. The purpose of Muslim education in India dash: propagation of Islam, development of spirituality, character development, military education. Correct answer is option A, propagation of Islam. The purpose of Muslim education in India, propagation of Islam. Option A is correct answer of question number 12. The medium of Buddhist education was language: Sanskrit, Hindi, Prakrit, Pali. Correct answer is option D, Pali. The medium of Buddhist education was Pali language. Muslim primary education is Muslim period dash happened here: Madarsa, Maktaba, Pathshala, Mat. Option B is correct. Muslim primary education in Muslim period, Maktaba happened here. Next question, 10 plus 2 plus 3 is the education system brought to you by dash: National Education Policy 1968, National Education Policy 1986, Kothari Commission, Radhakrishna Commission. Correct answer is this question is option B, National Education Policy 1968. 10 plus 2 plus 3 is the education system brought to you by National Education Policy 1968. So, option A is correct of question number 15. How many core elements were included in the 1986 National Education Policy and Curriculum? 10, 9, 11, 13. Correct answer is option A, 10. In the name of education and national development, the commission is recognized: School Commission, Mudliar Commission, Kothari Commission, Knowledge Commission. Correct answer is option C, Kothari Commission. In the name of education and national development, Kothari Commission, the commission is recognized. The medium of education in the Vedic period was dash language: Sanskrit, Hindi, पाली, मदरसा, Marathi. Correct answer these questions. Option A, Sanskrit. The medium of education in the Vedic period was Sanskrit language. So option A is correct answer of question number 18. He was the chairman of the Education Commission of India from 1964-66. Professor Yashpal, Dr. Buch, Dr. J.P. Naik, Dr. Naik, and option D is here Dr. D.S. Kothari. इथं स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक आहे, प्लीज तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या. इथं ऑप्शन डी डॉक्टर D.S. कोठारी असा आहे. करेक्ट आन्सर इज ऑप्शन डी of this question. Dr. D.S. Kothari was the chairman of Indian Commission of India from 1964-66. Next question. She was the chairman of the National Knowledge Commission. Sam Pitroda, Dr. J.P. Naik, Dr. D.S. Kothari, Professor Yashpal. Correct answer is option A, Sam Pitroda. Sam Pitroda was the chairman of the Knowledge Commission. Next question. Dash in this method of education, the child who has undergone Pabja ritual is known as Sraman. Option are here: Vedic, Buddhist, Christian, Muslim. Correct answer of this question is B, Buddhist. B option is correct answer of question number 21. Next question. Dash Indians were converted through education: Vedic, Buddhist, missionary, Muslim. Were converted through education: Vedic, Buddhist, missionary, Muslim. Correct answer is option C, missionary. Delors Commission Digest said the pillar of education 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is option C, 4. Study of coexistence is the third pillar of commission. Planning, Delors, Kothari, Simon. Correct answer is option B, Delors. Study for coexistence is the third pillar of the Delors Commission. अशा प्रकारे तुम्हाला मी 1 ते 24 प्रश्न 1 to 24 हे मी तुम्हाला युनिट नंबर 3 वरती दिलेले आहेत. आता आपल्याला 4th युनिट पाहायचं आहे. Now we are starting to look questions. Question number 1. Society and education are dash with each other: parasitic, complementary, contradictory, opposite. Option B, complementary is correct answer of question number 1. Which of the following scientist is of the opinion that education should start from social needs? George Penn, John Wright, MacIver, Page, John Dewey. Correct answer is option D, John Dewey. The main purpose of education is to develop a person holistically, to develop students' book knowledge, to develop students intellectually, to develop students physically. Correct answer is option A, to develop a person holistically. Option A is correct answer of question number 3. Next question. The process component of achieving the goals and objectives of education is dash. Yes. Curriculum, textbook, teaching methods, discipline. Correct answer is here option C, teaching methods. The school curriculum should include dash dash. Myth of each religion, stories of all religions, the custom of some religions, the basic principles of each religion. Correct answer is option D, the basic principles of each religion. Next question, which of the following can mean culture? Behavior in groups, restriction on behavior, adherence to old ways, opposing new ideas. Option number A is correct answer of question number 6. Behavior in groups. Next question, which of the following is the purpose of education a child? To cultivate, to impart knowledge, giving technology, making money. Correct answer is option A, to cultivate. Next question, select the appropriate option related to the next two statements. Statement 1, culture is transmitted through education. Statement 2, correct education should combine East-West culture. Option are here. Both statements are true. Both statements are false. Statement 1 is true and 2 is wrong. Statement 2 is true and 1 is false. Correct answer is this question option A. Both statements are true. Next question, what is the main objective of education in this regard? Introducing the arts, rooting values, introducing ancient faiths, organizing cultural activities. Correct answer is this question option number B, rooting values. Next question, bonds between school and society can be established due to general school system, teaching children, participation, lunch program, reservation for SC/ST. Right answer is this question option B, teaching children participation. Next question, what is the process of achieving the goal of education? Examination methods, assessment methods, teaching methods, study methods. Right answer is this question last one, D, study materials is correct. The teacher asks question to the whole class, teacher student, teacher class group, student teacher, all of the above. Correct answer is this question option B, teacher class group. See how option student teacher like this. टीचर असं इथे डबल वेळा आलेला आहे, तर ते टीचर नाही आहे, ओनली स्टुडंट टीचर आहे, लक्षात ठेवा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द स्कूल इज डॅश द आयडियल रेप्लिक of culture, of society, literature, nation. Correct answer is option B, of society. The school is of society, the ideal replic. Digest, this is an external replic. Movies, radio, television, school. Correct answer is option D, school. School is an external replic. School is a social organization due to which of the following? Definite purpose and mechanism, physical facilities, traditions, policies and laws, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. A, B, C, 3 options are correct. So, option D is correct answer of question number 15. Which of the following is the traditional function of school? Multidimensional development of child's personality, cultural transaction and conversation, preservation of life values, All of the above. Correct answer is this question, option number D. All of the above. School work for modern students. Dash. Cultivation of scientific approach. Teaching of modern technology skills. To cultivate the spirit of national unity and cosmopolitan. And last one is all of the above. Option D is correct answer of question number 70. Curriculum means dash. The spirit of school program. All kinds of respective experience in school. A race to complete a particular thing in a particular time. All of the above. Option D is correct answer of question number 18. सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना माझी अशी नम्र विनंती आहे की थोडंसं प्रोनाउन्सिएशनमध्ये कुठे जर मिस्टेक तुम्हाला जाणवत असेल तर ती थोडीशी तुम्ही समजून घ्यावी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The overall development of the children is the objective of curriculum and this objective is currently being achieved. The statement is completed true. The statement is completed untrue. The statement is partly true. The statement is partly untrue. Correct answer is option D. The statement is partly untrue. Next question. In the study process, there are no components. Teacher, student, academic society. Correct answer is option D. Society. In study teaching, there is an interaction between them. Students and teachers, students and parents, teachers and parents, students and pupils. Correct answer is this question, option A. Student and teachers. In study teaching, student and teachers, there is interaction between them. So option A is correct answer of question number 21. Next question. Which of the following is a type of school interaction? Individual and group, group and group, school and society, all of the above. Correct answer is this question, option number D, all of the above. Interacting in teacher parent team meeting dash. This type of interaction takes place individual and group, group and group, school and society, all of the above. Correct answer is this question is option C, school and society. Last question is here. Another name for social lifestyle is dash. Yes, lifestyle, culture, society, school. Option B, culture is correct answer. Another name for social lifestyle is called culture. So option B is correct answer of question number 24. विद्यार्थी मित्र, या पद्धतीने तुम्हाला युनिट नंबर 3 आणि युनिट नंबर 4 या दोन्ही युनिटवरती मी तुम्हाला प्रश्न तुम्हाला इंग्लिशमध्ये दिलेले आहेत. तर तुम्ही सर्वांनी व्हिडिओ कसा वाटला हे मला नक्की सांगा. व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, कमेंट करा आणि कोणतीही कमेंट करण्यापूर्वी तुम्ही माझ्या अगोदर एखादी कमेंट बॉक्समध्ये कमेंट असेल तर ती कृपया पहा आणि नंतर तुमची कमेंट मला कळवा. परीक्षेसाठी तुम्हाला सर्वांना भरभरून शुभेच्छा. थँक्यू. धन्यवाद.